Hello, art enthusiasts. Welcome to a whimsical journey into the world of fruit sculptures. Grab a seat and let your imagination run wild as we dive into creative masterpieces made from our favorite fruits. First up, we have a delightful banana boat with strawberry sails floating on a blue plate resembling water. Can't you just feel the breeze as it glides across the sea of imagination? Next, meet a strawberry-faced owl with banana slice wings and seeds for eyes. This little guy looks like he's ready to take flight into a world of fruity adventures. Now, slither into creativity with a banana snake coiled around a strawberry, complete with a forked tongue made from a strawberry stem. It's a twisty, tangy delight. Blossoming next is a strawberry flower with banana petals and a banana stem as the center. This vibrant creation is a reminder of the beauty and simplicity found in nature. Say hello to our banana dog with strawberry ears, a tail made from a banana peel, and seeds for eyes. This playful pup is sure to bring a smile to your face. Lastly, enter the majestic world of a strawberry castle with banana turrets and a banana peel drawbridge. Fit for a fruity king or queen, let's change the scenery to a tropical paradise with pineapples and kiwis. Imagine a pineapple house with kiwi windows, a door carved into the pineapple, and a kiwi roof. It's a tropical dream home. Watch a kiwi-faced turtle with a pineapple shell, and kiwi sliced legs slowly wander by. Isn't he adorable? Blast off with a pineapple rocket ship complete with kiwi fins and a kiwi slice as the exhaust flame. Ready for a fruity adventure in space? Perched on a pineapple branch is a kiwi bird with a beak made from a pineapple leaf. This tropical bird is ready to sing a sweet tune. Behold, a pineapple flower with kiwi petals and a kiwi center. It's a beautiful burst of tropical colors. And finally, swim with a kiwi-faced fish with a pineapple tail and kiwi slice scales. Dive deep into this exotic underwater world. Now, let's move to a refreshing summer scene with watermelons and grapes. Meet a watermelon shark with grape eyes and a mouth carved into the rind. Beware of this playful predator. Crawl along with a grape caterpillar with watermelon slice legs and a watermelon rind head. Isn't he the cutest? Zoom into action with a watermelon car, complete with grape wheels and a grape steering wheel, ready for a fruity race. Look up to see a grape-faced owl with watermelon slice wings and a watermelon rind body. This wise bird watches over the summer fun. Admire a watermelon flower with grape petals and a grape center. It's a refreshing burst of summer beauty. Lastly, explore a grape castle with watermelon turrets and a drawbridge made from watermelon rind. A juicy fortress fit for a grape king or queen. There you have it, art lovers. A delightful journey through whimsical fruit sculptures that celebrate creativity and nature's bounty. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your fruity creations with us. Until next time, stay creative. If you love art and a dash of whimsy, this fruity adventure is just for you. Dive into a world where pineapples and kiwis come alive. Behold a pineapple house with kiwi windows, a turtle with a kiwi face and a pineapple shell, and a rocket ship ready to blast off with kiwi fins. Discover a kiwi bird perched on a pineapple branch, a pineapple flower with kiwi petals, and a fish with kiwi scales. Let your imagination soar in this magical fruity paradise.